All right, so we're back here. Got plenty to do. Got several things to fix on the car. Started first, fell back to fourth, and was holding on to that spot really tight. Got into it with another car, hit the backstretch wall, flattened this tire right there. This wheel is scuffed. So 2 bad tires, 2 bad wheels. Broke the front left tie rod whenever I Dukes of Hazzard it over the end of the track. Messed up the body down this side. These are all scrape marks from the wall. This door has to be re-welded. It's bashed in down there. All that's bashed in. Pretty funky looking. Even bashed in all the way up into here. That's all over way more than it should be. The right side has a gigantic dent on my face. We got some work to do. So what I'm doing now is I'm going to put this wheel on here. I'm going to start the car up and spin this axle and see if this axle looks bent or not. She's actually getting a lot of that paint off there with lacquer thinner. Metal's hard. We are here at I-44 Speedway. This is night number my third, fourth race at the track. So it's the track's fourth race, my third. Did all the repairs in the car this week, took it out, felt good, no vibrations, nothing weird. Got a buddy down in Florida now that is trying to help me find some speed, and he shot me some tire pressures to change. And I tried these new tire pressures in hot laps. I went 4 laps and the car felt phenomenal. So I'm gonna stay with that. I'm not gonna do anything. I'm gonna go out and heat race it like it is. I'm gonna put gas in it, and that'll be that. We gotta do GoPros too. Remember? Yeah. 1 click. Good.
Now at this time,
Alright, you too, Tim. Good. We're taking off. Alright.
Love you.
Love you.
Go get him. Babe.
Had sponsors in the stands, and I'm hugging and holding hands and kissing them in the ear and praying for a good showing.
Oh my gosh.
7.
we're there.
So update, not good. He was just getting ready to head out for his heat race. He was in the first heat race. He's strapped in the car and everything, and the car wouldn't turn over. So Tim Brown was he's pitted next to us. He tapped on it a little bit, and he says that he thinks it's the starter. So we're having our friend Tiny run to O'Reilly's right now. And he's going to grab us a starter, so we're going to miss our heat, which means we'll have to start in the back. But at least we can still hopefully race if we can get this starter and get the car running again.
It wasn't engaging. Tiny called up to O'Reilly's. I got one, so I gave him the credit card, and he's heading up there to pick it up now. So we got that one out. Hopefully he can get back in time, and we can get the starter in here and continue the night. We're at a disadvantage because now we got to start in the back because we missed our heat race. So we're gonna have to work.
Got us a new starter. This baby better start right on up. And Tiny got us a discount. Thank you, Tiny.
We only ran 2 red lights to get it.
Oh my gosh! Don't say that. I knew you were hurrying. I knew it. And we got the starter on and it is working. We are on to the next thing. He's going to go do kid rides next.
But what's the best one? Under only.
Shade would probably be
5 and under only.
I didn't make my heat race because I went to start my car and my
We need
starter
to
was
go
out.
on in the church.
He had to powder his gloves so he can
Ages 6
slide
to
them on a little bit
9.
easier. His hands are so
6
sweaty.
to 9. Can we get people down there? So this is
let's
All
go
right.
get 'em.
Love you, babe. Go
you.
get him.
one or
Just started!
run
Woo, here we go. Woo! First step.
on Facebook. Okay, so you guys got to put.
We are starting dead last. Our luck this
fun.
Well, I think you got 9th.
I have no clue.
Yeah, I think it was 9th out of however many, 12. So,
Gosh, that's loud. I raced Nick Love pretty good there
yeah,
for a few laps.
yeah.
Congratulations.
Clean, too. Clean race. That's all that matters. Everyone's good.
No, once I got around them, it was wide open.
Yeah. No, it was a good race. I'm not mad at it.
I'm not mad at it either. We're loading her up in one piece.
Yeah.